This wonderful recipe is very powerful. If you have cleansing in your body, congratulations. If you have been bathing a lot of cleansing lately, congratulations. This recipe is going to change your life for good. I'm telling you. And I will be expecting your testimony on this recipe. I will be expecting it because it confirms is what I've used. And I'm saying it with confidence. If you did not bring your testimony to me, nothing will happen to you. But I know it's going to work for you. It's active. Very, very active. That leaf there, our forefathers always say, nínú ẹ̀rùn, nínú òjò, omi kì í wọ́n nílé olóńjó òǹgbòdú. That leaf name is called Olójó òǹgbòdú. It's very powerful. We can use it to destroy the life of someone. We can use it to change the life of someone into good. I'm telling you the fact. You are going to get me that leaf, the dry one. Maybe because you are not going to see the dry one, except you pluck it when it's cold, when you have water outside. Take it inside your house and keep it somewhere. Let it dry up. You are going to get me Indian hemp, which is Igbo. English people call it marijuana or Indian hemp. You get me some little one. But the one that is more active, which is that one that they are smoking now, that is more higher than SK, which is loud. Because the spirits that are following those things have some topper grade. So you need something that will be very active in you. If you use Igbo, it's going to be active. Oh, it's going to be active. But I'm just giving you the jack in case that one is available. Grounded when it's dried up. Don't put it inside the sun for it to dry. Put it under your roof. Let it dry inside your house. Grind it very smooth. After you finish grinding, they are two very smooth. Mix one part to your cream. Mix one part with your cream. Mix one part with your perfume. If you have a little soap, pound a little with it. When you bath with it, if you don't have time to mix it with soap, just mix it with your cream and your perfume. My brother, you are not going to regret why you do this recipe. If you have been a person complaining about money, from the day you are using this recipe, your life will change. Money will begin to flow towards you. It's very good. You too do it. Nínú òjò, nínú ẹ̀rùn, omi kì í wọ́n nílé olójó òǹgbòdú. It's very powerful leaf. If you ask our forefathers, our elderly people that knows about spirituality, they know what I'm telling you. It's very powerful. If you like, play with it. New Year's around the corner. You're joking with yourself. I gave you that one. Why did I say not to put it inside the sun? It's because when you put it inside the sun, the power of the leaf is going to decrease. Because sun, when you root a leaf from the sun, it's not good for you to keep it under the sun again. The sun is going to dry off the power. That is what our forefathers told us. That the leaves, the energy of the leaf is going to decrease. That is why you need to bring it out from the sun and sowing it under the roof. The heat is going to dry it, not the sun directly. I hope you understand what I tried to explain. So very good. Do as I say and celebrate. Bye bye. Do not forget to share this video to family and friends. Let them benefit from you so that they will stop calling you urgent 50,000, urgent 200,000.